This is Murray Farms 2016 peanut harvesting video. This is Murray Farms with the help of Rentz Family Farms harvesting peanuts out on the Gretna Farm tract. Gretna Farm is one large farm of about pretty close to 1,000 acres, and they got every bit of it in peanuts this year. They're going to be out harvesting these fields for probably at least another couple weeks. We've got two 8000R series tractors right now pulling 6-row KMC peanut combines. There is a second picker back there. I'm sure you can make it out through the dust or not, but it is there. It has been very dry around this area. We've had just about 6 weeks with no rain of any significant accumulation anyway. We've had a few sprinkles here and there, but that's about it. This is a John Deere 7830 pulling a 6-row KMC peanut combine, and don't have the vine spreaders on because all these fields are being harvested for peanut hay.